Most of us know the food we eat provides us with energy, but not all of us know the actual science behind it. Here's a short video explaining you on how your body converts food into energy. According to Karen Salmonson, eating healthy food fills your body with energy and nutrients. Imagine your cells smiling back at you and saying thank you. Food energy is defined as the energy released from carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and other organic compounds. When these major nutrients in the food are burnt entirely with sufficient amount of oxygen, it releases energy, that is food calories, that are expressed in kilojoules or kilocalories. How does the food we eat give us energy? The food that we consume provides us units of energy in the form of calories that gives our body the fuel to perform basic functions like breathing to more complicated activities. We need a minimum number of calories to sustain basic metabolic functions and more than that to carry out physical activities. Based on the activity, the type of energy and nutrients required to produce energy vary from one individual to another. Energy sources. Energy comes from macronutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in our food. Carbohydrates and proteins provide 4 calories of energy per gram, while fat yields 9 calories per gram. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose and are absorbed into the bloodstream. Protein is broken down slowly and is a long-lasting form of energy. Protein is primarily used as energy when energy cannot be obtained from carbohydrates or when the total calorie intake is too low. During physical activity, the body uses calories from food in a 3-part energy system. Shorter bursts of high-intensity activity, such as sprint, tap into the immediate or anaerobic systems and draw energy primarily from carbohydrates. During aerobic exercise that is more moderate in intensity, lasts 2 minutes or longer. The body burns mostly fat with moderate use of carbohydrate and protein energy. Food for energy. Choose nutrient-dense foods to fuel your daily energy need. Nutrient density identifies the amount of beneficial nutrients in a food product in proportion to the energy content, weight, or amount of detrimental nutrients in it. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds and lean protein, when prepared with little or no saturated fats, added sugars, and sodium, are nutrient-dense foods. Choose lean sources of protein like chicken breast or beans and heart-healthy fats such as nuts, for example almond, pista, walnut, and seed oils such as flaxseeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower oil. Dietary recommendation intake, also known as DRI. Eating enough food to uphold your daily metabolic activities is crucial for health. People's daily food requirements vary due to their height, weight, mostly their sex, age, and activity level. Guidelines suggested by ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, includes to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, restrict salt intake to a minimum of 2 to 3 grams per day, drink plenty of water, restrict beverages and processed foods, and stay active to have a healthy lifestyle. Here are few foods that give you more energy. Chocolates. Chocolates contain caffeine and theobromine, both of which will boost your energy levels. In moderation, the caffeine and sugar in chocolate won't lead to an energy crash. As a general rule, the darker the chocolate, the less sugar and the more energy boosting potential it has. Lentils. It can lower cholesterol and protect against diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and colon cancer. A daily dose of fiber pushes waste through your digestive system and prevents constipation. Eggs. They are packed with high biological proteins which can give you a steady and sustained source of energy and also build your lean body mass. Coffee. Coffee can help people feel less tired and increase energy levels. That's because it contains a stimulant called caffeine that will stimulate the central nervous system to keep the person active. That is the reason why caffeine is given to sports persons as a pre-competition meal or a snack. Bananas. They are an excellent source of complex carbs, potassium and vitamin B6, all of which can help boost your energy levels. Beets. The naturally occurring nitrates in beets can improve the efficiency of your body's energy-producing cells that are called mitochondria. Energy fuel mechanism. Humans produce energy by releasing the stored chemical energy in the foods that we eat. Metabolism is a sum total of all the chemical reactions that take place within each cell of a living organism, and that provides energy for vital processes and for synthesizing new organic material. Metabolism is classified into two types, that is catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is a breaking down of compounds to release energy. Anabolism is the building of compounds which uses energy. Anabolism is a synthesis of complex molecules in living organisms from simpler ones to larger numbers for the storage of energy. That is also constructive metabolism. Example, bone growth, mineralization, muscle mass buildup. Catabolism, the sequence of enzyme-catalyzed reactions by which relatively larger molecules in living cells are broken down or degraded. Example, food digestion and glycolysis. Anabolism requires the input of energy described as an energy intake uphill process. Catabolism is usually a downhill process where energy is released as the organism uses up energy. Here are some of the websites you can use as references if you want to know more about the food and how we intake energy from it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you next week. Until then, stay informed, stay healthy.